Warner Bros. Discovery shareholders voted today to approve Paramount Skydance's acquisition of the company in a deal valued at roughly $81 billion. Paramount Skydance, of course, is the parent company of CBS News. Now, Warner Bros. Says shareholders voted in support of selling the entire business to Paramount for $31 a share. They rejected a separate measure that outlined post-merger payments for company executives. Paramount intends to buy all of Warner, including its HBO Max streaming platform, as well as CNN, TBS, and TNT, but the deal is not solidified yet. The acquisition still requires the approval of antitrust regulators at the Justice Department. It also faces growing pushback from multiple Democratic lawmakers and high-profile Hollywood artists. More than 4,000 actors, producers, directors, and screenwriters have signed an open letter opposing the merger, arguing the result would be, quote, fewer opportunities for creators, fewer jobs across the production ecosystem, higher costs, and less choice for audiences in the United States and around the world. And for more on this, I want to bring in CBS News senior business and tech correspondent Jo Ling Kent. She joins us now. Jo Ling, always good to see you. So walk us through this. How significant is the step taken today, given the history of this deal and the previous offer from Netflix?
It's significant, but it was largely expected, this shareholder approval. So now what's going to happen is regulatory approval here in the United States, in Canada, the UK, and in Europe. There's going to be significant scrutiny, especially in the UK and Europe, when it comes to linear TV assets. The huge catalog, that library of content that this combined company would have control over. And of course, streaming, where you get your streaming, how much you would pay for it, and what it means for customers when it comes to having choices and having fair prices. But as you mentioned, there has been significant pushback on this deal here in Hollywood, in Los Angeles. There's a lot of concern about consolidation, meaning higher prices for consumers, but also fewer jobs and fewer projects for people to work on. And it's not just the actors and big-time producers who have signed that pledge. It's also artists, artisans, people behind the scenes, the crews, the makeup artists, everyone who has signed that petition that you were talking about, that open letter. They're concerned about opportunities for the long term. So that's really the question when it comes to what will this merger do for the economy. But at this point, Paramount Skydance, they said in a statement today, they plan to cooperate with all of the different questions from the various regulators, and they do hope that that deal will close sooner rather than later. But a lot of big economic questions, especially as we grapple with inflation, gas prices, and on down the line.
Yeah, so much to consider. Jo Ling Kent breaking it all down for us. Thank you for that.
Thanks.